Hey guys, this is Ghost57 coming at you from the power of YouTube through the internet itself. Okay guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your lenses and put your lenses back in the Meta AI glasses. Stay tuned guys and I'll show you how easy that is. Okay guys, so this is actually a pretty easy job to do. What you want to do is just go ahead and flip your glasses over, go ahead and turn the glasses off. And with the glasses facing your direction, you're going to go ahead and just press lightly around the edges to loosen it up, like so. And once you start hearing some clicking, that means the lens is already pretty loose. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in to show you exactly where to press on to make this a lot easier. So you want to press in either one of these corners here. I found it very easy to push right over here. Again, sometimes you might have to press. You can feel it loosening up. Now we're going to press right here in this corner. It's almost there. You can feel it loosening up already. You can hear it loosening up. I feel it. It's almost there. Again, you're just going to press straight down into the corner. They're almost ready to pop out. Just like that, there's one lens. If you notice, I did have to kind of caress the edges a little bit. So we're going to do the same thing to this one. This one already feels a little looser. Just caressing, and popping out. Very good. Now that you got the lens in, you can grab your new lenses. If you want any cool lenses, click right down below in my description. I do have some really nice Meta lenses that are all different types of colors that are from Amazon. If you buy them from my link down below, I do get a little bit of kickback, which helps this channel grow. So now that we have the glass lens out, I'm going to go ahead and clean off the inside of the frame a little bit so they're easier to put back in. Okay, I keep my alcohol in these little things because I work on a lot of different devices. But I'm just going to put a little bit of alcohol in here, like so, and then wipe it off with a cloth. This will make the glass lens easier to put back in your Meta glasses. It's already looking a lot more clean, and I'm assuming that's why it was so hard to pop that lens out. Especially if you're getting new lenses, might as well clean this area up just to make your life a little bit easier when you're putting them in. There's hair, mustache hair, everything in there, in those crevices. So just clean it up a little bit. Again, you can always just put alcohol on a cloth and get in there and just kind of clean it up. See, there's one piece of hair there. Okay, that looks like a lot better. So now that your lens inserts are nice and cleaned off, or the inside of your glass frame where the lens goes, it's cleaned. You can go ahead and grab your lenses again. This time you want your glasses facing you when you put them in. Okay, now with them nice and cleaned and facing your direction, you're going to grab your lens. Pretty easy to do. Just make sure it's the right lens. And you're just going to go ahead and pop these suckers back in pretty easily. Just going to go around it. Same idea. See, they go in a lot easier. And again, same thing on the other side. And that it's cleaned off now, it's a little bit easier to get in there. I give it to Meta for making really strong lenses, because there is some force that's applied to them. But that's how you change out your lens on the Meta glasses. And if you found this video useful, guys, please hit the thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Help this channel grow. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Ghost57 out. Bye-bye for now, friends. See you next time.